Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F14 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Advanced Features. Now tap on one-handed mode and click on this switcher in order to activate it. Finally, scroll down and tap on the best option for you to reduce display size with gesture or button. When you're ready, follow all of the instructions below it. In my case, double tap the home button. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. You can always change placement of it by tapping on one of those icons on one of its sides. If you want to, you can also hold this line at the top and drag it. In order to go back, click on this blurry area. And if you wish to disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!